I'm Justin. I'm a director of product at Databricks, and I'm head of Databricks Apps.
I'm Brad. I'm co-founder and CEO at Superblocks, and today we're announcing enterprise vibe coding on Databricks.
I'm excited about the Superblocks partnership because what Superblocks is doing to democratize who can build software is very complementary to what we're doing around making it super easy to host and deploy these secure and governed data and AI apps. Being able to develop these apps alongside their data with a semantic understanding of their data, powered by Clark, that's really, really exciting. And I think it's kind of this last frontier of not just vibe coding prototypes, but actually building production enterprise software. If you're a Databricks customer and you've already invested in getting your data, AI, and kind of governance estate established, this is the 100x unlock of value on top of that.
What the Superblocks Databricks partnership unlocks is you no longer need to learn to code because Clark does that for you. You no longer need to learn to prompt because Clark will help you plan. And you no longer need to understand the underlying schemas in Databricks because Clark will be able to inspect them, store knowledge of them, and be your guide.
What makes Clark and Superblocks unique is there's a lot of vibe coding tools in the market right now, but a lot of them are kind of focused on the more consumer side of this. And doing this in the enterprise is very different. Clark is a coding agent that has a deep understanding of the Databricks product and services. It integrates natively with Unity. It understands how to write DB-SQL, connect to model serving endpoints, connect to Lakebase. All of the Databricks products are deeply integrated.
When this cost of software goes down, you actually have way more software built. So that's kind of what they call Jevons paradox, right? And we're seeing this play out in each and every one of our customers, where maybe in the past they would build a handful of custom applications. It is turning into tens and hundreds of applications.
This is something that enterprises need to embrace now. There's a massive change, a massive transformation. We're replacing a bunch of point solutions, SaaS software, and Superblocks is a big part of that. You've seen a ton of growth internally with teams building on Superblocks and building these custom apps and deploying them as Databricks apps. So, we've been dogfooding this ourselves. We're very excited. We see the possibilities internally, and now we want to empower all of our joint customers to use the same.